Hey guys, I'm Colton with Bent Metal Off-Road. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to install this aluminum flat top roof on this Can-Am Commander. This one's been powder coated in a textured black finish to match our front and rear windshield on this machine. We also offer this in several other color options that you can check out on our website. This roof fits all Can-Am Maverick Sport and Trail models as well as 2021 and newer Can-Am Commanders. First, lay your roof on your machine and align the front bolt holes. Bolt the front of the roof down using the supplied hardware. The rubber spacer goes between the cage gusset and the roof. And then washer and nut on the bottom. Same thing on this other side. Then tighten these front bolts using a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16. Attach the rear of the roof using the supplied Velcro straps. And you're all set. If you have any questions about this roof, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Or if you're ready to place an order or check out any of our other products, go to bentmetaloffroad.com. Thanks for watching.